Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. What's more popular than a 69 Camaro? How about a factory red Camaro SS396 with a 4-speed? It's also got gauges too. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all about this car. You can look at all the pictures top to bottom, and you'll find a price tag, not only on this one, but every car we offer for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well. If you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe, and then click that bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This looks like it was probably an older body off frame restoration. Looks like the subframe was out, the bushings were replaced, all the steering, the suspension, front and back, looks like it was replaced. It's not brand new, maybe 10 years ago or something, but it's all nice and clean. It has a nice sounding dual exhaust system. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. I think it's Flowmaster mufflers under there. It has the slash cut tips like a Camaro had. The fuel system was replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's super clean, Chevy orange. The starter looks fresh. It has its VIN number match original Muncie 4-speed transmission in there. Drive shaft was rebuilt. The Hurst linkage looks pretty fresh on the trans. Has a 12-bolt rear end. The nuts and bolts and the cover are all clean, so someone's had the cover off. At least servicing it recently. Brakes, they're disc brakes up front, e-brake assemblies hooked up. The floors, I think they're original clean metal floors. I didn't see reproduction pans or splices. They look to be clean original floors. I didn't see any rust or issues. So under the car looks like it's exceptional, very, very nice. Now the body, according to the firewall tag, it is code 5252. That's Garnet red, upper and lower, so no vinyl top. Okay, these gaps, what I see right here, are precise. I mean, they're tight and square. This is absolutely pristine gap right here. This is spot on the money. This is excellent. The hood sits up just a touch. I mean, just a couple millimeters. Is the SS hood. This is all straight. Looking down the car, it is straight. This nice body line here is nice and clean. It's all metal. Bottom of the door is clean. This gap is right on. Right on. No bubbles, no blisters. Right around here is all nice and clean. Really nice clean metal. Coming up the sail panel here, no issues. That can be a problem area sometimes. The roof is straight. This is all real nice. Got the spoiler. Got the blacked out rear panel because it's an SS396. This side is just as straight. I don't see any issues. A little bit of dirt splashed up from the puddle driving in here. All nice clean metal. Fits real nice. No bubbles. As far as the body's concerned, I don't have an issue at all. It's actually very impressive. Straight, fits nice, no rust, no damage. Now the paint, it's polished beautifully. You can say it has a glass finish. I see little imperfections. I mean, a little dust or a little speck or imperfection here and there. The stripe is painted on, the hockey stick stripes. I'm looking at the paint, trying to see. Up here, there's a little fuzziness, a little tiny, not even pimples, because you don't even feel them, just little tiny bubbles that never bubbled, I guess. This is all looking really nice. Same thing on the fender, little tiny speckles, almost looks like when you get tree sap on your car, and it's minor. I'm looking for it now. There's a chip in the paint right here. It's been touched up. So yeah, we're going to say the paint's in excellent shape. Minor imperfections that you look for. As far as the body's concerned, I don't have an issue at all. It's actually very impressive. As far as the paint, it's polished beautifully. You can say it has a glass finish. I mean, a little dust or a little fuzziness, a little tiny It has the exterior trim group. That's the wheel well moldings, gutter trim, and these louvers right here. And just at a glance, all the trim is sparkling. Door handles, the stainless trim around the windows. This rear glass is crystal clear, so it's probably been replaced. The bumpers, they're shiny and straight, but there's a little bit of wear. They're not brand new, but they're really nice. Got bumper guards. All this trim, it's been replaced for sure. The mirrors, the handles, windshield's been replaced. Emblems, the ice cube trays, it's all been replaced. Rally wheels, they look like Corvette rallies. They're pretty wide in really nice shape. The trim is sparkling. The center cap, it's like a shorter derby cap. I've not seen that. It's a little shorter than normal. BF Goodrich tires. They look like they're 15-inch. Front tire, front wheel's not as wide as the back. They're probably 15 by 8 and 15 by 7s. The grille, emblem, bumper, front spoiler, lenses, all that looks great. Correct antenna, a bird dropping that I'll wipe off. All right, let's open it up and see how it looks inside. See what it looks like in the trunk. Under the trunk lid is painted nicely, but it's more of a flatter finish. It's not glossy, but it's clean and tidy. The jamb is a little more glossy, clean, nice weather strip. So we got a spare with the tire cover. We got the mat, quarter panels and trunk compartments, all solid, clean, gray spatter finish. I don't see a jack. It does have an amplifier there for the stereo. A couple 6x9 speakers in the back. Door jambs are nice painted. Bottom of the door edge is clean. The weather strips are nice and they fit right. Sill plates were replaced. Door panel, mint. Dash area is real nice. You know, the dash pad. None of this is pristine, but it's all very good. It's not cut. It's not broken. You can see through the lenses just fine. It has an optional clock. It has a tachometer. We have the factory optional gauges with the console. Everything here is in very good shape. Matching cigarette lighter. Got brochure for the stereo. So the kick panels are nice. Carpets are real nice. SS396 floor mats. You got the right seat belts. It does have a retro stereo. Looks original, but it's a digital stereo. Nice steering wheel. Nice upholstery. The light works at the back of the console. So the back seat, the seat belts, the side panels, the trim around the rear window, everything in here is very good. None of it's brand new, but it's all very good. Headliner, excellent. Dome light works. The mirrors, the visor, all in really nice shape. Call the interior an 8 out of a 10. There's nothing in here that needs any attention, but again, I'm not going to call it brand new. Under the hood, we have a correct 396 motor. It's got an Edelbrock intake with a dual feed Holley carb. Does have a set of long tube headers. It's got an MSD ignition system hiding back there. It's the original style chrome valve covers and air cleaner. They look like they can be polished up a little bit better. GM hoses. Does have a chrome alternator. It looks proper, you know, the cap, the shroud, the fan. It's got both horns up front. All nice, clean, square. The inner fenders are nice. We got power steering. We got power brakes. Cadmium plated booster. It all looks very good. Clean, proper. Squirters are hooked up. Hinges are painted nice. Looks good. So I have a pretty high opinion of this car. It just seems to be very honest. Again, it's not a car that was just slapped together last night. It's about a 10-year-old restoration, I'm going to guess. But it's clean, it's straight, it fits really well, it functions really well. Just a nice, honest car. And let's not forget, it's a factory red with a red roof, big block 4-speed gauges, 69 Camaro. This is a hot ticket. Go to volocars.com. You can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They will help you get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.